Today we have the fourth lesson for matrix. This is what we have. We want to simplify that this matrix minus another matrix. All right. So we are given the first matrix as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minus 1 here, 0, 1, 2 minus 2, 3. Okay, first of all, one thing I want you to acknowledge is that we can only subtract a matrix from another matrix if they are of the same order. From the first video, I explained that the order of a matrix is the number of rows by the number of columns. Rows run horizontally. So 1, 2. There are 2 rows in this matrix. By how many columns? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 columns. So we can say this is a 2 by 3 matrix. How about this? How many rows? 1, 2. 2 rows. How many columns? 1, 2, 3. So we can see that these are matrices of the same order. Only matrices of the same order you can add, you can subtract. Multiplication is a different case. All right. Now we want to subtract them. The same thing we do for addition. Adding and subtracting 2 or more matrices, you do that by adding or by subtracting the corresponding elements, the corresponding entries. So assuming that this one is a plain card and this is just another plain card, and once one card is placed on top of the other, you realize that this one will rest on -1, this 2 will rest on 0, this 6 will rest on 3. So this is what we mean by correspondingly. Okay, corresponding element. So we can say this is 1, we have a minus. This one is corresponding to what element on the other matrix is this minus. So -1. The first minus is the what? The main minus that we are using to subtract. And this is the one this element comes with. But mathematically, we can use bracket to separate them. So this is 4. 4 is corresponding to 2. So say -2. You can see there are gaps between columns. There are gaps between columns. So we also leave that gap. So we come to 2 and 5. So 2 is corresponding to 0, -0. 5 is corresponding to -2. So we say minus this one. Then now we say -2. So we leave a gap again. We come to 3 and 6. 3 is corresponding to 1, but preceded by a minus sign, -1. 6 is corresponding to 3, but preceded by minus, so -3. I hope it is clear. So now we say this is minus times minus is plus. So 1 plus 1 is 2. I hope it is clear because I don't want to go to another step. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 minus 0 is 2. Minus times minus is plus. 5 plus 2 is 7. 3 minus 1 is 2. 6 minus 3 is 3. So this is what we get when this matrix is subtracted from this one. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow, like, share, and comment. See you in my next video.